Here's how to export design from Google Stitch to Figma. Let's get to it. So on stitch.withgoogle.com, you need to create an app or website first. So over here, you just need to type a prompt and select web here instead of app if you want to make an website layout UI. Then I like to select this Thinking with 3.1 Pro. Then you just need to press on this generate button in order to make it. After that, it's going to look something like this with all your user interface inside. You just need to select one of these screens. Then on the top right, you're going to find export here, press on it, and then select format Figma. Now you need to press on convert here, and it's going to give you this copy button next. Press on it, and it's going to be copied to your clipboard. Now all you need to do is go over to Figma, and on top, you need to press on this design button. Inside this design, just press on this Ctrl+V on your keyboard, and it's going to be pasted here on your Figma project. And then you would be able to see all of these elements inside, and you can change them, move them around and such. You can also select multiple of these screens. So you just need to press on somewhere and left click, select multiple screens like this. And then you just need to select Figma here and press on this button and copy it. After that, just go over here, Ctrl+V on your keyboard in order to paste those designs. And then again, you can change things inside. And yeah, that's it. That's how to copy designs or export designs from Google Stitch to Figma. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Google Stitch related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.